Here we go. Week number 5. They're 5 weeks old today, and they have jumped and played, eat real dog food, and they're going wild. Here's Bella and Shorty. Let me zoom in. A closer picture for you there. Oh, who's that? Who's that? There's Louie. There's Louie. Look at Louie. Look at. There's Bella. Hi, Bella. Who's that over there? Who's that? Yeah. Hi, you guys. Here comes Big Girl. And then they fight. They wrestle. Hi, you guys. You by the fireplace? Oh, it's nice and warm. They're so cute. And here's Chewy. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. There's Daddy. Here comes Shorty. Hi, Shorty. Hi, Bella. Hello, baby. Oh. Hi, Bella. What's your name? What's your name, little girl? Oh, what? Are you crying? Yeah, you're crying. There's Louie. There's Louie. Hi, Louie. Hi, Louie. And there's Big Girl. She's the troublemaker. She's the one that gets them all going. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Come on over here. Come on.
What's this battery laying here? Is that any good?
Yeah. Come on, then. Come on, Big Girl. At 4.
4?
Oh, now let's tear up this paper over here. Oh, look, I got something new. Yeah, here's Bella with her little... Oh, look at Louie. Louie! Louie, what have you got? And this one's going to tear up the bed. Oh, yay. That's Sophie. Oh, here comes the Big Girl. What? Who's crying? There's Louie. Hi, Louie. Hello, baby. Hello, Louie. Bella, let me see your face. Let me see your face. Ah, see, I'm going to lay with my little baby for a while. This is where they get really fun. Oh, yeah. What have you got? What is that? What is that? Let's put this one over here. Oh. What is that? What have you got hanging out of your mouth? Say, come on, Bella, wake up! Come on, Louie, come on over here. Don't get over there. They want to play with the... Hi, Louie. Look up here. Louie, look up here. Let me see your face. Oh, I see you in the camera. Oh, it's a close-up. It's a close-up. Oh, he stepped in your foot. Oh, my goodness. Hi. Hi. Look out. Look out. Bella's tired. Okay.